Hey guys, I want us to explore LG soundbar remote control. This button is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. The plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is sound effect, and this button is the mute button. This button is the input. This is the Bluetooth button. The center one is pause and play. You also have up and down and side for you to skip forward, and also the back is for you to skip back. This button is sound tuning. This adjusts the sound level of the connected speaker. Press the sound tuning button and then left and right button to select the desired speaker before you press the up and down button to increase and decrease the sound volume. Adjustable speakers and adjustment range are as follows. So subwoofer -15 to +6, center -6 to +6, treble -6 to +6, mid -6 to +6, bass -6 to +6. Adjustment subwoofer level is applied. Then this button is mute and input. You press repeatedly to select the desired input, HDMI, optical, from this button. Up and down, this button are used to adjust the setting of convenient function. So use up and down to select the convenient function. Like if you switch the setting on and auto power off and on, then you select the right, you go to the surround, then use up and down to select surround on and off. Then the center one is pause and play. If you play or pause a song, press this button. When listening to music on USB storage device, you can select the play mode by pressing this button. Repeat once, play the current file repeatedly. And also this is settings. It allows you to adjust the setting of the product, auto power and off, surround and nighttime, display. Press the setting, then select the right or left button. So once you select from the setting, then you use side button for you to select the particular function. So this is information regarding the remote control. And also you can also select this by connecting the soundbar via LG app. Then from the app you check the settings as well. The information from this remote control is also in the LG app.